Hello iPhone users, in this video I will tell you how to turn on the feature of mono audio, which actually combines left and right audio channels into one signal. So let's do it together. Open your settings and then you have to slide and tap on accessibility. Once you tap on accessibility, this will come on your screen, and now you have to slide down again and tap on audio and visual, right, which will actually take you to this, right, where the middle option is of mono audio, which says that it makes the left and right speakers play the same content. So sometimes when you observe, when this mono audio is turned off, you can listen carefully from your earphones, headphones or anything, right, that you can hear that only from left or right the voice will come, right. So to avoid it and make sure that both the speakers play the same content, you turn this feature on. See you in the next video with such interesting topics. Ta-da.